Well, as the title says, the last goodbye. I wasn't here to see the last of the rubble being removed, but before I start the video, I'd like to give a big shout out to somebody who I've admired so long, and now I know him, and he's a good guy, and he's an award-winning journalist, columnist for Northwest Indiana Times, and there's so many accolades that he has attached to his name, and Mr. Jerry Davich, and of course his lovely wife Karen. He posted a picture up here a while back. I seen it on Instagram, and then he did a story on the last goodbye here. Once upon a time, not that long ago, as you see, they're still out here clearing it out. This is the Round the Clock restaurant, former site. I'm Steel City Storm, and I have a video on this before it tore down. If you'd like to see that, make sure you watch into the video. I'll put a link to that, or just look up Round the Clock restaurant before the demolition, and you'll see that. Enough of my face. Let's get back to this. There it is. Across the street on the east side of the building, they've also cleared that out. And that's pretty much that. There's not a whole lot to see, but I wanted to make sure that I updated everybody. If you're not from the area, you probably don't know about this, but if you're in Valparaiso and you're passing by, you definitely notice. Looks like the last piece of cement there. They did a quick job on this one. So anyway, there it is. Round the Clock restaurant no longer is here. Across the street, I'm going to say all going to be parking. It should be, because they definitely need parking out this way. So with that said, hope you've enjoyed the videos. Hope you enjoyed the channel. If you're not a member yet, please go subscribe to Steel City Storm channel. I'll see you next round.